You finally take a break. You sit down, scroll, breathe, and then, bam, your chest gets tight, your stomach knots. That voice creeps in. You should be doing something. That feeling? It's not laziness. It's not anxiety. It's guilt, and it's not your fault. I used to feel it every time I sat still. Didn't matter if I worked 10 hours or barely slept. The moment I stopped, something inside screamed, "You're falling behind. You're wasting time. Everyone else is doing more." And then came the shame spiral. I'd beat myself up for not relaxing right. I'd grab my phone to numb it, pretend I was just taking a breather. But I wasn't resting. I was escaping. That cycle isn't about productivity. It's about programming. If your nervous system has been in fight or flight mode for years, then slowing down triggers danger, not peace. You were taught that being on all the time equals value. That rest has to be earned, that if you're not grinding, you're losing. So, when you stop, your body panics. Your brain lights up like something's wrong. That's sympathetic dominance, a biohacker's term for constant survival mode. And no amount of bubble baths can override that without regulation. You tell yourself, I just need to finish one more thing. I'll rest after I deserve it. But here's the truth bomb. If your body's carrying guilt, you'll never feel like you've earned rest because your worth has been wired to equal output. This isn't about laziness. This is about self-abandonment disguised as ambition. You're exhausted because your body never got the memo that it's safe to stop. So here's how you reset. Start small. Start slow. Start scared. Step 1. Ditch the distractions. No screens. Just you. Set a 3-minute timer. Breathe deep. Let the guilt rise. Don't fight it. Witness it. Step 2. Activate your vagus nerve. Human. Sing. Exhale with sound, or say, "It's safe to rest now," out loud. This signals your nervous system that the danger is over. Step 3. Move with care. Sway. Stretch. Shake. Let your body unwind the pressure it's been swallowing for years. This isn't just self-care. It's neurological reprogramming. You're not just relaxing, you're rewiring. At first, I couldn't even last 60 seconds. I'd get restless, twitchy. My thoughts ran wild. Why are you wasting time? Do something useful. But after a week of staying with the discomfort, my mind slowed down, my breath deepened, my sleep improved. And most importantly, I stopped feeling like I had to earn rest. I started experiencing it, not escaping to it, not apologizing for it. I started to feel human again. So if you feel guilty every time you rest, you're not weak, you're not broken, you're not lazy. You're relearning safety in a body that was wired for performance over peace. And that takes courage. Rest isn't soft. It's revolutionary, especially in a world that profits from your exhaustion. So don't just slow down, reset, regulate, reclaim. You don't have to earn it, you just have to allow it. If this cracked something open, comment "Rest is revolutionary" below. Say it, claim it, and send this to someone who's stuck in hustle guilt, the kind that looks productive but feels like pain. Because healing doesn't mean doing more. Sometimes it just means finally letting go.